Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check MG University allotment. First, navigate to the official Mahatma Gandhi University admission portal. Look for the Allotment Result or Candidate Login section, usually prominent on the home page. Carefully enter your unique application number and the password you created during registration. Always double-check your personal details for accuracy before moving forward. After successfully logging in, your personal allotment status will be clearly displayed on the screen. Take a moment to carefully note the name of the college and the specific course that has been allotted to you. It's crucial to also look for any accompanying instructions or important deadlines, as these will guide your next steps in the admission process. Once you view your allotment, you'll typically see several options such as accept, reject, or rearrange. Choosing accept signifies your satisfaction with the current college and course offered. If you select reject, you are declining this particular offer. The rearrange option allows you to adjust your preferences for subsequent allotment rounds, aiming for a different choice. If you decide to accept your allotment, the next critical step is to pay the prescribed fee before the specified deadline. Following payment, download and print your official allotment memo, as this is a vital document. Finally, report to your allotted college with all required original documents and their photocopies to complete the admission formalities, ensuring a smooth enrollment process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.